How's gym session?
As you can tell, I'm feeling awake.
Tired already?
Always.
Welcome to the heart of the Grand Prix weekend, where speed meets style before the engines even roar. Watch as the world's top drivers arrive at the paddock, each with their own unique flair, confidence, and charisma. This is more than a race, it's a showcase of personality and presence. Get ready to witness the runway of Formula One champions.
I'm super happy to have finished my journey with school. It was not easy, but I'm happy because...
Dough.
What?
Dough.
Ray?
Me? So?
Love?
Tea?
Is it Ray or Dough again?
Dough again.
Dough again.
Media Day at the 2025 Austrian Grand Prix took an unexpected turn as heavy rain mixed with golf ball-sized hailstones poured down on the paddock. Drivers couldn't believe their eyes. Some even stopped to pick up the icy pellets, amazed by the sheer size and intensity. The storm wasn't just a weather event. It was a dramatic reminder that in Formula One, unpredictability is always part of the race weekend. From rain-soaked garages to astonished champions, Austria showed its wild side and left everyone talking. The paddock came alive as the drivers arrived, each one making their own stylish statement. From sleek suits to casual cool, from confident strides to playful waves, they showed us that in Formula One, personality shines as brightly as speed. This isn't just a race weekend, it's a runway of champions, where every entrance is as unforgettable as the race itself.
That you feel the weight have to be always touch the ground. You can't leave any side. Yeah.
They must join in a couple of places and hasten. Viele schnelle Kurve da. Die Geschwindigkeit ist natürlich immer hoch da auch. So ja, es war.
How's gym session?
As you can tell, I'm feeling awake.
Tired already?
Always.
feeling good. Yeah, I like this place. Always beautiful here, and F3, F2, F1 win, so try and do the same again this weekend.
Enjoy.
Morning.
Done with school, now in Austria. How's it feel to be kind of finished and just being able to focus on moving forward?
I mean, it feels amazing. You know, I'm super happy to have finished my journey with school. It was not easy, but I'm happy because...
Dough.
What?
Dough.
Ray.
Me.
Fa.
So.
La.
T.
Is it Ray or Dough again?
Dough again.
Dough again.
So weather update?
It's raining. And it's going to rain a lot more.
See the thing?
Come on! Here we go.
Racing cars are really small, just to be fast on the straight. And then because the car has to weigh very little, our car has no comfort in the seat. If there is no padding, there is nothing. So, you know.
The thing is that it's not even that dark, no? It's not that it's...
Thanks, Fernando.
Thank you, Fernando.
Jackie Chan. Unbelievable. So now you pick up 3.
That's impossible!
As the drivers step away from the spotlight and into their cars, their stylish arrivals remind us that Formula One is a blend of talent, determination, and undeniable charisma. Behind every helmet is a personality shining just as bright as their racing skills. Thanks for joining us. See you at the next thrilling race weekend.
There was joy in a couple places and hate in one.